What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel on Auto Addiction. Alright guys, we're gonna walk over here. I got some goodies. I'm gonna walk over East Coast and check out on the Cutlass and see how that's going. Everybody's been asking for an update, so hope you guys can hear me. It's kind of windy, a little cool in Titusville, Florida today. Probably about 60, 65, but we're gonna go over here and check this thing out, so you guys bear with me and we'll be right over.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So I hope you enjoyed the video of the Cutlass. They're getting a lot of work done to it, so got a lot of the body work done on the driver's side. They got all the little holes filled where the chrome was along the bottom. Got the whole side in primer. So hope you guys enjoyed that little update video. I know you guys have been asking. Hopefully they get onto the other side maybe next week or the week after that. I'll keep you guys posted. And then onto the roof and a couple little more disassembly things. So I'd probably say realistically next 3 months it'll be done. They're kind of helping me out doing it on the side a little bit, so maybe 3 months of work to go. And but yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on the Cutlass build. I appreciate everybody's support on it, and please like and subscribe to the channel if you're into the Cutlass Supremes, G bodies. And there's more to come on this car, so this is just the beginning of it. So appreciate it, and see you guys on the next video. I'm about to roll out and go home, and just wanted to give you guys an update video on it. So, and if you're just checking in, it's a 1986 Cutlass Supreme. It's got a 455 Olds engine in it. A little bit of work done. I'll go over it some more when I get it back, but yeah, so alright guys, well, I'm checking out. You guys have a great day. About to head out here. Get on home, eat some dinner. It's cold outside. Hope you guys enjoyed the video the other day of the 2014 Sierra, my buddy's truck. We worked on that, I believe it was a couple of nights ago after everybody was home in bed. Kids were in bed. We snuck back up there about 9:30, 10 o'clock at night to the shop. Just put his wheels on, because when you work on other people's stuff all day long, the only time that you can work on your own stuff is at night usually. So we got that video up for you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed that. Mounting some 22 by 12s, not too bad. You just have to be really careful of mounting up all the wheels so you don't nick them. Brand new wheels, so. But I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know what you guys think of the Cutlass. I got a couple colors in mind for it, but let me know what you guys think. Color scheme for the Cutlass: 2-tone, 1-tone, dark colors, light colors. Let me know what you think. So alright, now I'm really gonna end this video, so see you guys on the next video. You guys have a great rest of the week. Enjoy your weekend. Everybody be safe. You're up north. Stay warm. Spring's right around the corner. Alright. See you guys.